What is it? Headphones on.
What did Linda cook up?
Salmon.
Oh.
Fire salmon. So this is where we're at. Got these bars on. They look freaking sweet.
Freaking sick.
No, but we did get the... Let me turn this for a second.
Oh, come on.
We got the
Always fucking with him.
Oh, shit.
new forks on. Brembo's on. Lines are ran. Everything's torqued to the proper specs. Looked everything up. There is a PDF for this bike on Google, and it tells you everything. So
There's mad dirt in
that was
here.
easy.
Blow that sucker out.
Yesterday we sprayed this black, the mount, the lower bar mount, which looks sweet, and the rear pegs and heat shield.
Where are the Allens?
So today we want to get all of this swapped onto the new bars, the Burchage, and we may fool around with this timing cover.
So if we get crazy.
So freaking stay tuned. Quick update. Got this side going on. And I got these timing covers off.
Yeah, we do.
So I got the torque sequence on here and the torque specs.
You do.
Yeah. So let's torque her up and see how it looks. Put this on there. And then they'll have little windows so you can see the gears moving.
Spicy.
It's gonna spice it right up. Try and put this on too.
Flipping and switching.
Whip in the kitchen and flip in the kitchen.
Flipping and flipping. Wow, this is looking fire, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, that is. Jack's over here. Dabbing up
Putting on windows.
the old timing cover belt.
Yeah, was this on
Cover.
the inside or outside?
Inside or outside? Like so.
Mm-hmm.
Spraying the grips, I mean the levers, for the hell of it, but I'm buying new ones. We just like seeing things pretty.
Can't believe it.
Ducabike. Final fitment. What do you got to line up here?
This one right here.
I ain't gonna go in
Size is that 5.
Yeah. Not catching that though.
Ducabike. Head mechanic.
Where'd you put that electric? Nice.
What's this torquing to?
10 Newton meat hairs. Meat hairs.
10 Newton meat hairs on the timing belt valve cover.
Pop.
Oh.
A little pop pop.
Well,
A
go
little.
until,
A little.
go until she pops.
Just double check.
Pop.
I like that.
You can hear the pop.
Dude, that's sick.
You can tell what kind of style we're going for here.
Spike's gonna get us mad.
So
We're talking about that. They are gone. Got a lot of stuff on, which is good. Bars are mounted and torqued. In case anyone was wondering, this ring nut in here is a special socket you buy for that. Looks like this. So I had to order that. That's torqued. What else did we do? This is back on and torqued. Ignition. These levers are probably going to change because this one's bent pretty bad. But for now, we're going to leave them on. Just make sure. We want to get everything back together, make sure it's working. But this looks amazing. This is Ducabike timing cover. So we got some gold there, some gold there. Radiator Ducabike cover. It's clean. That literally is just in the directions. 3 zip ties, 2 on top and 1 on the bottom. Holds that on. But yeah, it's coming together. It's coming together. Hopefully, only thing we're waiting on now is we need, so for this heel guard that goes here, there's a bushing that goes in here, and I'm gonna order a new one because I tried pressing this one out and I cannot get it out. We have a little press too. It doesn't work. So we're just gonna order a new one. I'm assuming like if they ever had to change this, they probably order new ones with it and just put a new one in because it's not easy to get out. Unless you have like the right stuff, which we don't. So next will be, once that comes, pop that heel guard on, get the brake line changed in the back, bleed the brakes, make sure they're all good, oil change, new brake fluid. What else? I'm gonna put the new, so we got the new rim for the back, new tire. Also have a new chain, gold chain. That can go on. What else? A gold oil cap, which will look sweet. What else we got in here? NRC blinkers for the front. Obviously, I didn't show this yet, but this is the slip-on we're using. It's gonna look sick. Sit right there. So, exciting things coming with this. I can't wait to get it back together. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. Still gotta get the tank sprayed, but other than that, it's getting there. Stay tuned for more.
Cause like a pup I was trained. Now I'm 22 and I never change. And I always keep my chains tucked. Lost dogs and that shit sucks.